feel very overwhelmed right now. I'm trying to take care of Emmy, change her diaper, keep her from coloring on things, keep her from destroying things, and then I'm also trying to cook dinner. That stay-at-home mom life, actually just that mom life in general, it's a lot to juggle. You woke up, you didn't even go to sleep. How come all your friends are on the floor? Yeah, I'll get you out. But how come you didn't go night-night, sweetie? You're supposed to take a nap.
Mama.
Yeah, baby. You want to get out?
Okay.
Well, what are we going to do today now that you're not going to take a nap? This was supposed to be time to relax, and Mama's going to get work done. What are we going to do now?
Wanna get down?
You want to get down? Okay, baby. Andrew just left for work, and usually this is the time that I get my work done or I relax. But someone decided of all the days that Daddy's not home to help us, that she's not gonna take a nap. I'm in for a long afternoon. Hey, do you wanna go shopping?
Popcorn?
You wanna have popcorn?
Okay.
And then can we go shopping?
Some popcorn?
Okay. I'll get you some popcorn, baby. You want corn? Here. Okay, go sit on the couch, okay? Because Mama's got to get some work done. Can you go sit on the couch with your popcorn?
Some popcorn.
Yep. Should we watch a little bit of Mickey Mouse? Okay. Do you want to watch Pete's Beach Blanket Luau? Okay. We are outside on the balcony playing Tea Party. This is one of Emerson's favorite things to do. We just fill up her little tea set. She got this for her birthday. We just fill it up with water and she entertains herself for a very long time. A lot of the water ends up on the rug, but I'm letting her be little. And just hopefully a whole lot of it doesn't go down to the neighbor's balcony. But it is hotter than heck out here. It is so hot today, and I'm in a long sleeve shirt because it's the only shirt that really fits me right now. I got this from Target. It's a maternity shirt. It's actually really cute, but holy moly, it's hot.
It's warm.
It's pretty warm, huh?
It's pretty warm.
But she's been so patient with me while I'm getting my work done. Just playing, being so content. Are you a good girl? Are you a really good girl? You're all wet. I think we're gonna go run some errands right now. I see the UPS truck and I'm expecting a very exciting package for baby boy. And I think it's on that truck, so I'm gonna wait until that truck gets here. But then I think we're gonna go run some errands. We desperately need groceries. And I also wanna go to Target. Okay, Emmy, we're gonna go to Target, okay? When we get to Target, if you don't cry in the car, Mama's gonna get you a treat. Do you want a treat? Okay, let's go. Let's go get in the car and go to Target. You ready to get your treat? You're gonna fall off of that and get real hurt. Come on, let's go. Bye, Emmy. See you later. My goodness. Getting out of the house by yourself with a toddler is no joke. I haven't done it in a while.
Oh, Mommy's car?
Yeah, we're gonna get in the car. It's so hard to keep track of her, to keep track of what I need, to keep track of what she needs. But we're doing it. We're getting out. Hey Emmy, what are we gonna get at Target?
Cupcake.
A pop cake? We're gonna get a cake pop. Do you want a cake pop?
Okay.
Cake? Alright, so I am at Target and I am here to get a few of my extra toiletries and things for my hospital bag. I know I'm only 32 weeks, but there have been so many people having their babies and having them early. So I am going to be prepared because I'm not about to be caught having a baby early. Emmy was 42 weeks, and so who knows, I could go over again, but just in case, if I go early, I want to have my bags packed. I'm going to be doing a what's in my hospital bag video at 34 weeks. So like in the next 2 weeks, I'll be doing that video. So I just want to have everything ready and prepared for that. I'm also going to look at some maternity clothes and try and control myself because I'm at the point where I don't fit into any of my normal clothes. And I'm even starting to not be able to fit in my like small maternity clothes. So I'm gonna just look and see what they have, but I'm gonna try and control myself. We'll see. Are you sleepy? Someone refused to sit in the basket, or in the child section part of the basket. You a stinker. We just made it back from the grocery store. I was gonna update you guys after when we went into Target, but Emmy has been like really fussy. She didn't take a nap today. It's getting close to dinner time, so she's really hungry. So she's just been in a bad mood. But the sweetest thing happened at Target today. So I walked in to get her cake pop. It was the first thing we did when we got to Target. So I ordered the cake pop, and when I went to get my money to pay for the cake pop, I realized that I had left my wallet in the car. And so I told her, and I was like, I'll be right back. So I'm trying to leave, and the lady behind me goes, I got it. I have never had that happen to me, but the lady behind me bought us our cake pop. Like, that is the sweetest thing ever. That just touches my heart and makes me have faith that there are still good people in the world. Like, that was the sweetest thing. She saw I was having a hard time. She saw that I had a toddler who is probably going to have a meltdown, that she didn't get her cake pop, and that I am also extremely pregnant. And that was just so sweet. So, whoever you are, lady out there, thank you for buying our cake pop. That was really sweet. And then the other thing is we went to the grocery store, and I went to a grocery store that I haven't gone to in a really long time. It's my actually it's my favorite grocery store, but it's kind of out of the way, so we've been going to a grocery store that's a little bit closer to the house. Long story short, I went into the grocery store and immediately was hit with like memories of morning sickness because it's been that long since I've gone to that grocery store. But I used to shop there all the time during my first trimester when I was really morning sick. I thought that was crazy. So the whole time I was walking around the store, I just like would smell something or see something. I don't know what it was, but something about that grocery store just brought back all the memories of morning sickness. Now I have to figure out how to get all of these groceries up all these stairs with a toddler. I remember now why I don't go grocery shopping by myself. Or I do go grocery shopping by myself without the toddler. I either go with Andrew or I go without Emmy. I was letting Emmy color with this book. It's like cardboard, and then it has a brush that has water in it and you can like paint with it. Well, she has run into her room and closed the door. So let's see what she's doing. Hey, what are you doing? Emerson, you know you're doing something you're not supposed to. Emmy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you coloring on the wall? Sure enough, look at her. She was coloring on the wall. Hey, were you coloring on the wall? Look at Mom. You know you're not supposed to do that. Can you say, I'm sorry, Mama?
Mama.
Okay, no more. Also, I'm sure I'm gonna get some people saying that I should have Emmy help me clean up her mess or teach her to clean up after herself. Hey, did you get those off the counter? Can I have it? Yeah. But believe me, we do make her help us clean up after herself, and she's only 2 years old, so we are not super strict with her, but we are working on it. And she's actually getting really good at it. So I just wanted to kind of clear the air that yes, she does help us clean up after herself. Didn't get a whole lot of stuff from the grocery store because I knew that I would have to carry all this stuff up by myself up the stairs and have Emmy. So I just got a few things that we needed. I got some bananas, some Fuji apples. I like to eat these with peanut butter. I got some plain Chobani yogurt, and I'll just put some honey in that. I also got some raspberries because they were on sale, and I went to the grocery store hungry and they just looked really good. For dinner tonight we're having some pasta, so I got some vodka sauce because that sounded better than regular. I got us some grapes again because I was hungry. Cheese sticks. The cheese heads is my favorite of all the cheese sticks. I am like a cheese stick snob. These ones just taste the best to me. It's probably not even real cheese, but it tastes good. Then I got some Parmesan for my pasta tonight. I got Emmy some Annie's mac and cheese. It's just always a good thing to have on hand because she is always down to eat some mac and cheese. So I got that for like a quick meal. And then I got us some strawberries because again they were on sale. A loaf of bread for toast or sandwiches. We have some really yummy ham that we got from Costco in the fridge, so we've been making sandwiches a lot. And then, oh my gosh, I am so pregnant. Growing up, my dad used to bring these home, and pretty much the two of us could eat this whole thing in like 2 days. It was so good. I love that memory of sharing this with him. But then they stopped making it and we couldn't find it anywhere. They had like a cheese Danish, but it just was not the same. So when I saw this at the grocery store, he's gonna be so excited when I send him a picture. I had to get it. I just had to. So it's the cheese-filled crumb coffee cake, not the cheese Danish. That is so good. So I'm gonna have this for dessert tonight and I'm so excited. Emmy wanted to eat outside, which is always fine with me. So for dinner, we are both having penne pasta with vodka sauce. Nothing fancy, straight out of the jar. Then I put some Parmesan cheese on top of hers, and then she has broccoli with a little bit of butter and a tiny bit of salt. And then I'm gonna give her 2 raspberries. All right, you eat up, baby. I'm gonna go get mine together right now. I feel very overwhelmed right now. I'm trying to take care of Emmy, change her diaper, keep her from coloring on things, keep her from destroying things, and then I'm also trying to cook dinner. That stay-at-home mom life, actually just that mom life in general, it's a lot to juggle. I mean, you guys know. You guys are watching this probably because you are also moms, so you get the feeling. But I'm feeling very overwhelmed and like I'm missing something or forgetting something, but I think I've got it all. I think I'm ready to sit down and eat my dinner and just take a deep breath. Here's my dinner. I was going to steam up some broccoli for myself, but I forgot, and at this point I'm just too hungry. So this will be my dinner, and then I'll probably have a little bit of dessert for a little bit of berries for dessert. I wanted to give you guys a quick pregnancy update. I actually have some guests staying with us tonight, so I'm trying to be a little bit on the quiet side. So pregnancy update. I'm 32 weeks pregnant, and honestly the hardest thing for me at this point is my emotions. Like, my hormones are crazy and I feel just a lot of emotions all at the same time. I don't know, I feel a lot of anxiety, And I don't know if that's because of the pregnancy or just like life in general. Life in general is a little bit on the stressful side right now. But I wake up in the middle of the night and I feel just incredibly anxious and almost having panic attacks. Like I am having a hard time breathing, and I know that's a lot to share, but I want to be open and honest with you guys, and I really do think that so much of it is part of just being pregnant and hormones. But I have, give or take, 8 more weeks to make it through this, and then there's the whole postpartum journey to deal with, but I'm thinking about one thing at a time for now. What else? Today kicked my butt physically, without Andrew here. I think it was the outing to Target and the grocery store, and then lugging all those things up the stairs, and then, like I said, we have guests staying with us tonight, so I had to clean the house and make sure that it was like, well, I didn't have to, but I wanted to make sure it was spotless before they came. And Emmy, as soon as we walked into the door, started on this crazy streak and was making a lot of messes, and I was trying to cook dinner and clean up at the same time. So by the time I got her to bed, I was feeling it. My body hurts, my back aches. So anyways, that's my little pregnancy update. Emotions are through the roof. My back hurts some days, but overall I'm feeling pretty good. Baby has slowed down his moving around, which I read was normal because there's just less room. Like right now he's moving around. I can feel him. It's just not quite as extreme. And then what else? I'm having a lot of Braxton Hicks. I think that's just because of all the physical, like strenuous activity that I have to do just with Emmy. But I am trying to drink a whole lot more water so that at least it's not dehydration making the Braxton Hicks come on. But yeah, so that's my pregnancy update. I'm going to eat my Enchman's cream cheese thing and watch Bachelor in Paradise because that's my guilty pleasure. I'm not afraid to admit it. Love that show, and it comes on twice a week, which is nice. So I'm gonna go do that. Andrew should be home from work pretty soon. I think he's actually on his way. So then we're gonna just, I don't know, relax together and call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for following our family. Follow us on Instagram. It's at alli_gooch. I post there all the time, and we have some pretty fun conversations, and it's just a way to like keep up with us on a day-to-day basis. So go follow us on Instagram if you want more daily updates. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.